Hey everyone, Lance Brown here with PDI, Performance Diesel Inc. Here to walk you through our PDI Big Boss Cat oil fill tube with locking cap. So let me start by walking you through the OE, the original factory design from Cat. A lot of folks have noticed there's a chain on there. In our repair facility, we've seen baling wire, baling twine, zip ties, many different ways of people trying to hold their oil cap into their fill tube. But the initial root cause of the problem lies in the cap itself. It's a rubber butterfly style cap. It sucks the washer up and pushes the rubber grommet out against the inside of the fill tube. As this breaks down from heat and time, that loses its gripping ability on the inside of the fill tube, which can cause it to come out when it's not supposed to, causing a very oily mess and an expensive cleanup underneath the hood of your truck. PDI addressed the issue by casting a replacement fill tube out of cast aluminum, bolts in the same spot as the OE tube, with a button lock on the inside of the casting and a channel in the billet aluminum cap. Rubber O-ring seal here, goes in tight, seals up, never to come off unless you want it off. The replacement oil fill tube will fit Cat engines from 1994 and a half through 2008. The locking cap will fit the 2008 to 2010 stock oil fill tube on the Caterpillar. We also offer a replacement billet aluminum cap for the Cummins 2003 through current model year. Simply an upgraded cap. The plastic OE cap can get brittle and hard and crack, so rather than buying a new replacement plastic cap, upgrade yourself to the PDI Big Boss billet aluminum. For more pricing information and available options, look us up, pdidiesel.com. We'd love to get one headed your way.